Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. In the last class we have seen moving average in odd number. Now today we'll see even number. If it is even number is given, how to calculate it. If you followed the previous class, this is quite easy. Even number, odd number. Odd number is over, now even number. So through a problem I'll explain it very clearly. Just focus for 5 minutes. From the following data, calculate trend values, use 4-yearly moving average. 5-yearly moving average we have done, now 4-yearly. That is even number. Now the data is given here, year and production. Only these two are given. We know 4-yearly moving average, how to calculate. Just first of all, we'll total 4-year, production will total. Then after that 4-year average will take. Just like previous one only. There is no difference at all. Now if you see, production is here like this, 4-year total will calculate. So I have provided one column, 4-yearly moving total, 4-year total, this total. Okay, let me take a marker. 4-year total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-year total. If you total of 506, 620, 1036 and 673. So you are getting 2835. Earlier where we have posted 5 years means middle means third number there we have posted. Now when it is 4-year means after 2 year, third year we are going to post. Not in between these two numbers, no. Third year we are going to post after completion of 2 years. The total is 2835. I have posted on the third year. Okay, 2835. This is over. Next 4 years. Next 4 years means 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 years total. 620 plus 1036, 673 plus 588. 4 years total, it comes to 917. So this is also third number, 1, 2, 3. Third number, opposite to third number, 2917 posted. Am I clear? In the same way, next one also. So these 4 years, 1036, 673, 588, 696. All this total comes to 2993. Third year opposite, 1, 2, 3. Third year opposite, 2993. So in the same way rest of the years also, this total comes to 3073. Okay, opposite to third year posted. Next these 4 years total comes to 3138. So this is here. Next 4 years, this total comes to 3213. Over. There is no more year, so that is why we kept it blank. Once if we have calculated 4 years moving total, then next we have to calculate the 4 years moving average. Okay, 4 years moving average. How do we calculate? So 2835 divided by 4 average you will get. Okay, 2835 divided by 4, you got 708.75. In the same way 2917 divided by 4, 729.25, like you got 4-year moving average. Now remember, up to here you have an idea, same like previous problem only. Only the thing is you are posting on the third number, not rather than between these two. Whenever even number 4-year is given, you have to provide 2 more columns. One column is 2-point moving total. 2-point moving total. 2-point moving total means this one. Here you are going to take total of these 2 point. Only 2 point out of this 4. Okay, 2 point means this number, first number and the second number, this total. This total comes to 1468, where we have posted second number. We are just adding two numbers, that's all, nothing to confuse. In the same way, 729.25 plus 748.25. If you add, you will be getting 1477.50. In the same way, next these two numbers if we add, you will get 1516.50. Next these two numbers if we add, you will get 1552. Next if you add these two, you will get 1587.75. Next no more numbers, so this is blank. Okay, now after this 2-point moving average we have, moving total we have done. 2 point means 2 point, two numbers, moving total we have done. And this average centered, next column, average center means this average will take. Average, 2 years total na. So when we want to take average, 2 years, average only we have to take. So average centered, how do you get? 1438 divided by 2, 719. In the same way, 1477.50 divided by 2. Everything is divided by 2 so that you get the average of 2 centered. Total is this, average, you got it, that's it. There is no confusion at all. Similarly, same like 5-year moving average up to here, this is same like 5-yearly moving average. Only the thing is posting, you have to see where we have to post. And apart from this, we have done 2 more columns. One is 2-point moving total and average centered, a 2-point centered. 2-point moving means this is based on this. Okay, based on this we are prepared. This average is next column. Am I clear? You must be perfect and you must be thorough, especially in moving average. Very easy, na? In examination, you should not miss even a single mark also. Want to take screenshot? Yes. In the comment box, I have given one link. All the statistics 2 subject, whatever I have prepared so far, everything is available in that link and also in the comment box and the description box. Please check it out. And also check out playlist, whatever subjects you have, whatever may be your course, it will be useful for you. Use it and don't forget to share this videos. Stay connected, study well, have a bright career. Good luck.